moment they don't receive continuously, they will group that into an NPA, and there will be a team assigned for that. They will call these customers for a follow-up and make them repay or restart the EMI payments. So when will the bank categorize a loan as an NPA? That is very important. Okay. So when will they categorize this as an NPA? Normally, if a customer takes a loan and if he defaults consequently for 90 days in repaying the EMI, those loans all will be categorized as an NPA. Okay. So I took a loan and continuously for 3 months I have not paid my EMI. So that particular loan they will move into an NPA. And if you see the financials of the bank, all banks will give lot of provisioning will be given for an NPA, because they have given loans and they have to take into consideration in that how many of them will be repaid will be a crucial factor in their increase in profits also. It will have an impact on the profits also. Again, in the running of the bank also. So a lot of provision will be put in for an NPA. An NPA will happen. That's how the banking business is. Okay. So why they are categorizing this into an NPA? Because the moment continuously for 3 months they are not paying the EMI, that doesn't mean that the asset is a loss asset or the customer will not repay. No, that doesn't mean that. Lot of process will be there until it is moved into a loss asset or something like that. Even loss asset, what happens? The property will be in the bank's hand. So at last, if nothing is working out, the bank has a right to sell the property and recover the money it has lent to the customer. So those are the extreme measures which the bank will handle. But they are categorizing this into an NPA because in that financial year they have they can make sufficient provisioning, and also when they categorize that, there will be a separate collections team which will be deputed to follow up with these customers for repayment. That is another. That is why they are categorizing. The moment they don't receive continuously, they will group that into an NPA, and there will be a team assigned for that. They will call these customers for a follow-up and make them repay or restart the EMI payments. Okay. They may depute people to visit the customers also in person. Even 1 month EMI is blocked, they have not repaid, you will get a call from the bank, right? So if it is continuous, then they may even send the bankers. Bankers will go and meet the customers in person and try to understand what is this problem in repaying, right? And try to recover the money from the customers. So NPA grouping is very important. That is why they are categorizing the assets which are not being serviced. You will call this term, the loan is not serviced continuously for 3 months. So that we will categorize into an NPA, and the follow-ups for the recovery will be taken care of by the team. Okay.